Альберт Дураев.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with the winner, Альберт Дураев. Albert, you came into this fight saying, I am not just a wrestler, I can strike. He's one of the best strikers in the division. You got a hard-fought victory. Congratulations.
Thank you, Michael. Hello, Houston. Thank you so very much, guys. I can once say my big brother, Pacha, Hashru Hassan, Allah Reis Halon, Allah Dalo, Masen Marnish Obldel, Makwai, Nokchijur, one way, Masagi Doxa Marshal Dushan, Mael Latsalo, they all ran the road, what's our action that you know? De la Hudidu, de land took my soma, the mailbox book work. Kadeni Nani Allah Reis Fernando Altana. Sorry, brother. 1 second, please. I'm very happy. I want to say thank you so much, my coach, my brother, my coach, Rebecca. Extreme Couture. Thank you so much, my team, Ahmad, my team, Extreme Couture, Rebecca Summers, Official Deni, Maso, Dubai Sheikh Mohammed. Thank you so much. I'm very happy today.
You should be happy. Congratulations on a hard-fought victory. Ladies and gentlemen, Альберт Дураев.